In today's video, we are going to show you how to merge PDF files using iLovePDF. Whether you're combining reports, invoices, contracts, or even school documents, iLovePDF makes the process quick and easy. Let's begin by logging in using your credentials. On the home page, you will see various PDF tools available. Just look for the option that says Merge PDF, which is this one. Or you can simply go to the All PDF Tools on the top right corner, go to the Organized PDF section, click the Merge PDF. And then once you are on the Merge PDF page, all I have to do is select the PDF files, browse your computer, and choose the PDF files you want to continue. You can also drag and drop your PDF files directly into the upload area for a faster workflow, and wait for the files to finish uploading. And then when you're satisfied with the file order, click the Merge PDF button. iLovePDF will begin processing your files and combine them into a single PDF document. The process usually takes only a few seconds depending on the size and number of files. After the merge is complete, you will see a notifications here, and all I have to do now is click the Download Merge PDF. The combined PDF will be saved to your computer. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to merge PDF files using iLovePDF. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.